So if you're looking to differentiate, it's not only getting really clear on who those couple dozen potential tenants are that are in that local area. Depending on where you're located, maybe it's a couple hundred potential tenants that may take space in that area. But then it's really figuring out, like, for these kinds of potential clients, tenants, leaseholders, whatever you want to call it, for a wholesale data center space, who is most influential in that research and decision making process that you need to build relationships with. And again, your size, their size is going to vary tremendously. For big REITs, very common to find construction, real estate, portfolio, whole host of finance and investment kind of professionals that are typically completely separate from technologists and facilities managers that are up and running. You'll typically find those specializations when a data center operator gets to the point that there's at least hundreds of employees, if not thousands of employees. And for an end user, add a 0 or 2 to that. These are typically, to have that kind of granular specialization, they're not small to mid-sized companies. And by the nature, at this stage of the game, with where we are in the evolution of the data center industry, those are your most likely buyers. So once you have an idea as to the job functions and job roles, then it's like any other go-to-market strategy. We're trying to figure out, we know the companies, we think we know who the stakeholders are. What do these stakeholders care most about at the intersection of making a significant real estate decision around taking space in a wholesale data center or just buying the facility outright? Like, what do they care most about? What's top of mind that's going on in their world? What are they working on individually? What's in their job description? What's in their objectives and key results? What is their team working on? Who else is on their team? What is their company working on that's directly or indirectly related to making a significant real estate related decision on wholesale data centers? And repeat this same research exercise with your secondary, your tertiary buyer persona, so you get deep customer insight into what makes them tick, what's going on in their world, having extreme empathy. Once you have that, the real way to get differentiation is to take those insights and to plow it into building a digital brand for all of the self-service buyers, which represent